Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Come learn and grow with me. So today I actually wanted to come with you with a snowstorm. There's a snowstorm today and I'm gonna record it slowly and throughout the storm and show you. So this is the very beginning of the snowstorm, just so you can see. And so I will show you the rest as it comes. So stay tuned. And this is a little bit later. There's still coming down hard. There's probably about 2 or 3 inches of snow, I'd say. So just wanted to show you a little bit more. There's my dog Precious running around with a toy in her mouth or something. So yeah, that is where we are now. Hey everyone, so it's a little bit later, and as you can see, it's gotten a little bit darker out. And I actually put this turkey decoy out here just to monitor like how much snow we get later. So this is a little bit later. What it looks like, it's still coming down. It hasn't stopped at all. So we will see how it looks in a little bit. And it's a little bit later now. As you can see, it's so dark. And it is still coming down a lot. And we got about 6 inches so far. So I will keep you guys posted. And it's a bit later now, and as you can see, we got about 6 inches. That's my car, and you can see like how it is. And it's freezing, so I will keep you posted. Good morning, beautiful souls. So it is morning, it's about 6 a.m. and we've got about 14 inches so far. And it's still snowing, so let's see how much we get. Stay tuned. As you can see, the car is quite covered. We got quite a bit of snow today. So we are gonna enjoy it. Snow day, yay! And as you can see, the turkey decoy I put out there yesterday is completely covered now. So we got about 14 inches, I'd say. It's pretty deep. So we decided to take the dogs out to play for a little bit because they also like the snow. So snow day, yay! Hey everyone, so it looks like the storm is just about over now. And we got about 14 inches. So that's really awesome. Thank you all so much for being here and for watching. And until next time, peace. See you soon.